People keep asking if we're sisters. Trust me, we're not. My mom only lets her stay with us because she feels sorry for her. Oops.
01 champion will survive every obstacle.
Okay, everyone, say cheese. All right, everyone, that's enough.
Today, we're going to talk about human metabolism and physical health. Your body changes depending on your habits, movement, and consistency.
Can anyone tell me which habit improves physical endurance the most? I think the answer is... Oh, you got this. I think the correct answer is option C.
Correct, Emma.
Wait, that's actually the right answer. Wow, didn't know Emma could actually talk.
Confidence matters just as much as knowledge.
If school food gets any worse, I might actually start eating vegetables.
I'm pretty sure this pizza survived 2 world wars.
My mom keeps saying we should eat healthier. Guess she gave up on you. You know, most people stop eating when they're full. But I guess self-control isn't really your thing. People keep asking if we're sisters. Trust me, we're not. My mom only lets her stay with us because she feels sorry for her. Oops. Emma? Hey, ignore her. Why do I feel so different? Dad, can I talk to you for a minute?
What happened now?
Ava keeps humiliating me at school, and Mom always takes her side. No one really understands how I feel.
Emma, I seriously don't have time for this every single day.
You and Ava are always fighting. If there's a problem, talk to your mother about it.
You finally made it. Welcome, welcome.
This house is absolutely stunning. I know, the pool looks amazing at night.
Why doesn't Ava help too?
Because she already has enough pressure.
Whoa! Careful, Emma. The floor might break too.
Ava is glowing lately. She could honestly become a model someday.
Emma has been helping since this morning. I need to talk to Catherine. Catherine? Emma has been working since this morning.
She's helping the family, David.
No, Ava has been relaxing all night.
Ava is younger than Emma. It makes sense for Emma to help more.
She's not a servant, Catherine. I've noticed the way you treat Emma. She looks exhausted all the time.
Then maybe you should ask yourself why she's even living here.
She's my daughter.
She will never be like Ava.
That's enough, Catherine.
Dad. Why does she hate me so much? I'm trying so hard, but nobody ever sees me. Maybe if I change, people will finally look at me differently.
Emma? Hey. Look at me. I know Catherine and Ava haven't treated you fairly. And I'm sorry I didn't notice sooner. When I was your age, I thought my hair made me look like a depressed potato.
Dad,
There's my girl.
you're weird.
Yeah, but I'm funny weird.
Dad, I think I want to join the gym.
Then we'll do it together.
Really?
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 Okay, let's do this.
First membership?
Like, is it that obvious?
A little.
Don't focus on being perfect. Just focus on showing up.
Got it. Wait, isn't that your sister? She's not my sister. What are YOU doing here?
Why do you care?
You seriously think this place will change you?
Maybe not. But at least I'm trying.
Wow, she actually talked back. Shut up, Chloe.
Okay, one more. Push through.
Maybe. I can do this. Okay, seriously,
You look amazing now.
I'm still the same Emma. Fitness challenge. Winner gets a scholarship? Wait, you're not actually thinking about joining this competition, right? Maybe I am. And maybe this time, I won't quit.
North Valley Fitness Challenge begins next month. This year's winner receives full athletic sponsorship.
No more hiding. I'm joining.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final round of the Iron Spirit Challenge. Today, strength will be tested, fear will be tested, and only 01 champion will survive every obstacle.
Oh my God. You got this, Emma! This is my race. Come on, Emma!
Geo! Here comes the W all climb.
Easy. I did it!
You got this. The rope run. One mistake, and the championship is over. Over.
doing this! Yes! I tried.
Wait! Hold on, everyone.
What?
Wait, Emma! You were second place!
Emma, you won!
After official review, Ava Carter violated competition rules. The REAL winner of the Iron Spirit Challenge is Emma Carter!